Magandang buhay mga loves! Samahan niyo ako today. Punta tayo ng Walmart. Titingin tayo ng mga clearance sale para sa ating balikbayan box. Anyway, nakaligo na ako. Nakapagpalit na ng damit. Fresh na. So, see you later.
In the Philippines, right?
Sunny. There's the sun. But it's cold and windy. Yeah, it's a lot of clearance sale. Ang daming clearance. Kasi tapos na yung Valentine's Day. What is this?
It's a Peep.
Where's the eye?
That one's got eyes. That one's got eyes.
This one?
Right there. There you go. It's as big as you are.
Sinama ka rito sa Walmart. Pero dito rin din sa mga gamit panlalaki. I got some warm. Rub. What else? So, wala ta kapamili sa mga clearance sale. Kasi itong kasama ko jumpy. Okay, so we are here at the pickup side of Walmart.
Never been here before.
Yeah, it's our first time. So actually we don't know what's going on. That's the pickup order. Para na sa iyahang work. I have no idea what is that, but I just tag along. Nag-stop by pa kami sa Home Depot. Real quick. One more thing that he needs to grab. And we're done for today. And that's it for today, I guess.